Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a small review and unboxing of Logitech B525 webcam. Okay, so actually as I heard, this is a webcam that you can get for a considerable amount of cheap money if you compare to the quality it will give. So let's go ahead and unbox this webcam. Okay, as you can see, this is their manual. Now let's go ahead and see what's inside. Here you can see we can get this thing out of the box like this way. So this is how it will looks like when we take it out. There you have. Okay, now where's the webcam? Okay, right, it's like this. So there you are. This is the webcam. Okay, okay guys, now I will show you how we can mount this Logitech camera. Okay, so this is the Logitech camera that we get from the box. So in order to mount this to the back side of your monitor, you need to first rotate this like this way, and you just need to place it like this way. So you need to as you can see, you need to place this part to the front of the monitor like this way, and put the back part, you have to fold it like this, and now it stays like that. So you can adjust this part accordingly. Now let's do a video quality test of this Logitech B525 webcam. So it's a HD webcam. Now let's go ahead and open the Windows 10 camera app. Okay, there you are. So this is the quality that you will get from this HD webcam. So for the price, I think it's pretty good. However, the audio input is not from this webcam. I'm using my condenser microphone. But in the next stage, what I'm gonna do is I will use this video recording feature to record both the video input and audio input from this webcam. Addition to that, I want to say that there's considerable amount of daylight coming into my room at the moment. This is the autofocus feature. I think it is also doing pretty well. So let's go ahead and record something from this webcam, and I will show you how it looks like. Okay, now I am recording directly from the webcam input. So both the video and audio is from the webcam. So as you can see, that's audio. This is how the autofocus feature works. So when I come close to the camera and speak, this is how the audio looks like, and from some distance, this is how the audio looks like. Okay, I will go around my room and see how it looks. Okay, that's me. As you could see, is I will close my curtains in this room and use only the light coming from my lights inside this room. Actually there's only one light in my room, so let's okay. Now there's no daylight, so this is how it looks when there is no daylight. So as you can see, it's not that clear when there's no daylight. So I'm currently on room lights. So I hope you enjoyed this video very much. So as you have seen before, I have done the unboxing, the video quality test, and how to install this webcam to your monitor, and all the steps are in this video. So I hope it was really helpful for you. So if you found this video is helpful, please do like my video, as well as please subscribe to my channel. So there's a whole bunch of videos coming in future to my channel. So that's it. Have a nice day.